this video, you're going to learn how to build a certificate that people can earn in your online course website powered by LifterLMS and WordPress. LifterLMS is the most advanced learning management system for WordPress and has the most powerful certificate builder, which is what we're going to look at today. Let's look at the user experience on the front end. I'm going to enroll in this young retirement course. I'm actually already logged in. So I'm going to check out now and purchase this course. You can see I'm already logged in up here. I'm just going to enter a credit card right here. This is the LifterLMS Stripe system in test mode. So we can test the checkout. And I'm going to buy now. So I'm enrolling in this young retirement course. And once I pop in there, you can see I'm enrolled in the course, and I'm not going to go through all the amazing features of LifterLMS and all the different types of content, but let's assume we're here on the last lesson, and of course you can control this where they have to complete the whole course or complete every lesson or pass a quiz and that kind of thing. In this situation, we're just going to trigger the certificate based off of a lesson completion. This lesson has a quiz, so let's take that quiz. Imagine we're on the last lesson of a course, and I'm going to click Start Quiz. Now, you don't have to use a quiz. This could be just completing the content. But there we go. We completed our quiz. And you can see, boom, we completed it. We passed the quiz. We earned a certificate. We can view our full certificate, which is right here. Using the LifterLMS PDFs add-on, we can download it just like that directly as a PDF. So as that comes down, we can take that PDF and do whatever we want with it from there. And, you know, this is a certificate that I earned. It's got the earn on date, my name on it, and so on, fully dynamic populated. Now let's go take a look at how to build the actual certificate in LifterLMS. And keep in mind, this is just a quick demonstration, but you could make the certificate look however you want to look, and also add whatever information about the user or whatever you want to put on that certificate, you can absolutely do. So let's go look at the certificate builder in LifterLMS 6.0. So here we are in the back end of WordPress. We're looking at the certificate builder where we created a certificate template for people completing the young retirement course. You can see we've got some merge code data and some graphics. We're using the standard WordPress block editor so that we can create columns, make it look beautiful. We've got our background image. You can use, we provide a bunch of them from LifterLMS, but you can also create your own and adjust it. And just to look at how to create your own from scratch, I'm going to click on Add Certificate Template. And you can see here, it's here. And this area right here is called the certificate title block. It's a custom block we developed, which has various settings and size controls and things you can do here. And also in here, LifterLMS has a complete library of merge codes and short codes that you can add right in to pull in whatever dynamic data you need to be printed on the certificate when it is earned. We even have the certificate ID and sequential certificate ID. Some continuing education certification programs require that kind of thing. So, and with the LifterLMS custom fields plugin, if you want to collect certain data like company name when students register that also gets printed on the certificate, that can be merged in as well. You can add images and really whatever you imagine. So I'm just dropping in a seal right there, shrinking it down, making it fit, and so on. You can merge in the site title. You can also drop in a simple signature. So that's what I was doing in the example I just showed you in the media library here. I've got a signature here that I uploaded. Where is that thing? There it is. So I was just adding a signature on a transparent background, and you can see how I'm putting that in there And really, you know, it takes a little bit of time just to make your certificate perfect, exactly how you want it to look. And you can add whatever information you like. Notice over here in the certificate template settings, we have all these different sizes, both European sizes and also these other, I believe these are called American sizes. You can build your custom sizes if you want. You can play around with the background colors, set your images, and so on. And then in the block itself, you know, all these areas have their own settings so that you can build whatever your vision of a certificate is in your head. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to be able for the user to earn. They can convert it to a PDF. It becomes a powerful gamification piece of your online course or your membership site, your remote school, whatever you call it. This is LifterLMS 6.0 and the most advanced certificate builder in WordPress. Click the link below this video to learn more about LifterLMS 6.0 and how you can use it. Have a great rest of your day.